Hey guys, I am kind of like in my studio. It's one thing I want to show you guys is that's a 3D printer. It's my first 3D printer, and I was wondering if I could start using a 3D printer as a way of reproducing sculptures. So, as an example, you have this. This is the last cast that I made, and I made it out of polyurethane. You can watch it on the YouTube channel. It's made out of cement and mixed with some plaster. This is going to be a keystone that goes on top of the house, and then I am going to be putting the glue here and bolts and putting it on the house. And I can reproduce this because I have the polyurethane mold, but it's very expensive. It's very time consuming. So recently I've been getting into 3D printing and sculpture, and I have some experience with like Blender, ZBrush, that sort of thing. And I recently bought this, and this is a 3D scanner. Kind of expensive. The software for it is terrible. I'll be doing several videos how to use one of these. So as a test, I already made a 3D print of the lion, and I decided to, whoa, let me get that first live stream off to a bad start, but here we go. This is the lion that I made in 3D from the 3D scan, and that's the real one. So kind of cool, and this took about an hour to print. This is really time consuming. I did it on clay. Much more detail on this than this, but I am very surprised with the results. I also printed this in the lowest quality settings. Right now, that is printing, but it's printing this in the exact same size in dynamic quality. So just a little bit of update. And I also wanted to test the streaming on YouTube. So I want to kill two birds with one stone, but I'll be making some videos in the future how 3D scanning, 3D printing could benefit sculptors. The idea is that I'll probably like make versions of this and put it up on my Etsy, because as a sculptor, you do have the ability of making reproductions and then selling your work online. But the problem is that something like this is heavy, it's expensive to ship, and if you don't cast it in cement, you cast it in a plaster, it could break. And that has happened before in my sculptures on Etsy that I sold. So my idea is that instead of molding in rubber and going through that huge process, you can create one of these very quickly. And even though it doesn't offer the best detail in the world, it's kind of amazing. And I'll be doing more of these videos. So if you have any questions, post up in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer them. I also wonder if it's a good idea to do these streaming type of videos for the channel. So just thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video with more 3D printing videos coming up. Thank you.